And with low pressure sticking close by, the rest of the week is set to stay quite unsettled, but it will turn warmer over the Easter bank holiday weekend. A full forecast coming up shortly.
We were talking about Ian when they said he was very well behaved. There is something actually quite good about having a robot pet, isn't there? I know with my Labrador, less mess, less fur everywhere. Abbie, anyway, forgetting you're talking about my pets, what's going on with the weather?
Well, it's actually, I think, going to be a fairly decent forecast for the long Easter bank holiday weekend. Good weather for walking the dog if you've got one. But as for the next few days, we've still got low pressure close by. So it is looking quite mixed, quite changeable, at times quite unsettled. We're going to see some fairly heavy rain to start the day tomorrow. Once that clears, some showers then moving through later into the afternoon, all thanks to this area of low pressure. And low pressure is just basically staying very close by. It's going to be quite breezy, I think, tomorrow too, but some very heavy rain as we start the day. As that area of low pressure pulls away, I think our winds will ease gradually as we head through to the long Easter bank holiday weekend, but it does still look quite mixed on Friday. So some heavy showers knocking about this evening. They will clear away into the early hours of tomorrow morning. There'll be a lot of cloud. That's ahead of this band of heavy rain that we will start the day with tomorrow. So potentially some spray on the roads if you are heading out first thing tomorrow morning. It might just be worth allowing yourself a little bit of extra time. And these will be our temperatures as we start the day, 3 or 4 degrees. So a wet start to the day tomorrow. This band of rain will gradually make its way up towards the north and west. Temperatures for tomorrow will reach about 10 or 11 degrees Celsius, very similar to what we will have for what we've had today. Into the afternoon, a mix of sunshine and showers. A little bit light today. Some of those showers might really pack a punch though, and could be on the heavy side. As we head through to the long Easter bank holiday weekend, then we are moving into a much milder air mass. So it will feel much milder, particularly through Saturday and Sunday. I think on Sunday, temperatures could get as high as 14 or 15 degrees Celsius. Friday itself is looking again that mix of sunshine and showers, probably fewer showers around than what we'll end the day with tomorrow. So in the sunshine it will feel quite pleasant. It's still going to be fairly breezy though. These will be our temperatures, 12 or 13 degrees Celsius, which is slightly above average for the time of year. Over the long Easter bank holiday weekend then, Saturday and Sunday both looking mostly dry, just the risk I think of 1 or 2 heavier showers, particularly on Saturday. Some uncertainty still for the forecast for Sunday, but certainly seeing a rise in those temperatures, 14 or 15 degrees Celsius. Into the start of the new week, obviously Monday still part of that Easter bank holiday, so temperatures dropping off a little. It will feel slightly fresher, I think, as we head through to the start of the new week. Quite changeable too, but worth noting our clocks change. I think a fair few may well have missed it with it being the long Easter bank holiday weekend, but those clocks spring forward, so we will lose that hour overnight into Sunday. Don't forget that one, Annabelle.
I never forget that one. Come over, Abbie, because apparently my mic's not working. So to say goodnight, we're going to have to shove up next to each other so that they can hear me. Thank you very much, Abbie. That is it from us for now. I will be back with the late news at 10:30, and hopefully everything will be working perfectly by then. I'm sure it will. Thanks very much for watching. Have a good evening.
Good night.